These are all delicious produce of the land. Very good for our health. And do you know how to cook them all? The secret are found in this book, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes written by her daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. And this delightful book you will see at Amazon and all bookstores. Let us cook delicious, healthy food for our good health. Mabuhay tayong lahat. All the secrets of cooking this delicious produce of the land you will see at Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes written by her loving daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. Enjoy cooking and dining with family and friends. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang mga nilalang sa sangdaigdigan at kalupaan. Enjoy life. Life is good, especially when we cook this delicious produce of our Mother Earth, Mama Gaia. And all the secrets of cooking all this is in the book, Delightful Cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes written by her adoring daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. Now you will find this beautiful book at Amazon and all bookstores. Mabuhay tayong lahat.